Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start earning rewards with Discover, full guide step by step clearly. To start earning rewards with Discover, begin by visiting the Discover website. Look for the credit card offerings tailored to your needs. Select a card that features a rewards program. Make sure to review the benefits and rewards structure of the card. Click on Apply now to begin the application process. Fill out the required information accurately. Submit your application and wait for approval. After approval, receive your Discover card in the mail. Activate your card by following the instructions provided. Once activated, familiarize yourself with the card's rewards categories. Use your Discover card for everyday purchases to start earning rewards. Keep an eye on promotional offers that provide extra cash back. Enroll in the rewards program if prompted. Track your rewards through the Discover app or website. Use rewards wisely by redeeming them for cashback or gift cards. Review your transactions regularly to ensure you maximize your rewards. Consider setting alerts for bonus cashback categories that change quarterly. Engage in special promotions that may offer enhanced rewards. Stay informed about any changes to your card's rewards program. Explore earning rewards when shopping online through Discover's partners. Redeem rewards at the end of the billing cycle for added benefits. Utilize your rewards to offset purchases or donate to charities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.